Nigerian Genius.
And the design of, I can say like maybe 40% done currently.
Hello everyone, and welcome to day 4 of the Nigerian Genius Campus Edition 2026, and we are Team MechX from Futo. So our day started off with working on our stool. So we're trying to finish our stool because in our previous welding and fabrication class, we were only able to weld our legs together to form the base. So today we now want to do further. We want to work on it further. We want to improve it further. So okay, I represented my team while my other team members were still working on our project. So I was able to like drill holes into our metals so that our wooden chair can be mounted upon. And there was a machine I was asked to use to smoothen the metal, and honestly, it's very hard to operate. I tried carrying it, and all the food I ate in the morning, like, it left my body. So welding is not easy, but it was really fun. It was really nice, and I got to see how things were created, tables and all that you normally overlook.
Another major breakthrough of how our day went was during which we were asked to get voters for them to vote us for the contest that we are challenging on.
So about 7 p.m. that same Tuesday, our team and we came together and proposed, we brainstormed, we researched, we looked at the existing current energy solutions in Nigeria, and now we can improve on them. We also looked at the risk assessment of the current energy solutions, and now we can improve on them. So after brainstorming, we were able to come up with an idea. But for us to actually be able to have effective and proposed solutions, we have to split the rules.
I think there was a time we had it in mind that okay, we'll be winning this. But we reached a certain time, close to when the time frame was about ending, and we were like that deadline was slight approaching. We were like, oh my God, we have almost lost it. So a lot of pressure was in us. Then we started trying our best. I called my teammates and started to ginger them, let them come in. Let's just do what we can do. Then, luckily, unfortunately for us, when we were called,
the total score of 229 is Team Futo. Okay, so
we were ordered upon for prizes. Then we had that we were the best, like we won it. So it really surprised us, and we are really grateful for that. Also, this was what we got as a result of that. 10 points. Yeah, an additional 10 points. So we really appreciate that. Now, secondly, we were also called upon to give a brief overview about our presentation, that is, about our progress reports on our project. So during when we came out to give this report, I mean, if you check the previous video, you will see that we had a lot of vibe, like the way we arranged ourselves, the way we spoke, the flow, the motion, everything was well intact. And God so kindly, our judges announced us as the winner, giving us another additional 10 points, which is, we now have 20 points, but though that other 10 is not here.
We have
so this was
Team Futo with a score of 1,524 points, and they are the winners for the voting.
This was a huge moment for us because we are coming back to back, and we are really happy, and we love that.
Thanks for voting.
Yeah, so thanks for voting us. Okay, yeah, for our project, yeah, the main thing we did as a team is that we came together, and our team lead coordinated all of us, and we had to do a background research to understand what our project is about. Now, after this research, for effective workflow of how this project will go, our team lead designed task rules among us, which I served as the creative designer and model lead. Then my other co also served as the system design in terms of the electronics, and him was the team lead. So during my own part, I was able to model, get and source all the components required for our project to work successfully. I identified the constraints, and I also found out some limitations, and these limitations we are also actively trying to resolve it. And I believe my teammates will speak more better about that.
In addition to what my teammates have said, we had a session. It was like a mentorship session when industry experts came to speak to us, and to know the progress on our projects. It was a lot. As you can see, I'm actually sweating. It was a lot because when we gave our project to them, we proposed our solution, our design solution to the project. They discovered that there were some lapses in the project, that we can't continue further on that project. So currently, right now, we are not having any projects. It sounds funny, but we are not giving up, and we know that we can come back. That is the spirit. We are very, very resilient, and at the same time, we have already started the
Coding and electronics has been prepared already.
Yes, phase of it. That's the research phase of our new project. Currently, we have started researching on our new project actually, but the other one has been scrapped. So what we did Monday, Tuesday has gone. We're starting again, and we have a deadline to meet on Sunday. And we trust God. You guys should just keep our supporters. Please keep supporting us. Keep liking our videos. Keep sharing. We really appreciate you. You see how you guys have turned up for us. At least in the last 2 days, we have won the voting contest twice, and we have gotten 20 bonus points just from that. So we will keep going on and on and on. We are very, very grateful for that. And also, special appreciation to Mr. Clintonel and everyone that came together to organize this event, the sponsors and everybody. We're actually very, very grateful for the opportunity. This has opened our minds, really, our critical thinking has gone on another level. You will now see challenges and how we can solve it and how we can bring solutions to problems in our society. Thank you very much. You should shout. No. Shout out, bro. A big shout out to ACT Foundation and the CIC. We are truly grateful for everything.
The Nigerian Genius